Good morning everyone and welcome to the unboxing experience. And today's video, earbuds, ANC earbuds with IP67 water and dust resistance. Up to 40 hours in battery. 40! That's crazy. 6 mic noise cancelling. Let's open it. Satisfaction. Oh! Wow. Opa. Accessories. It's in there. You can see cable, green USB Type-C cable, flat cable. Alright. Put it aside. I think there's a manual. Okay, extra buds. Woo! A manual. Something else there. Okay, what is that? Happy. Of course I am super happy. QR code. Well, pause the video if you want to scan it. There you go. Okay, let's put it aside. Extra buds. Oh, all kinds of sizes. Okay, let's put them back. Don't want to lose them. Put them aside. And the manual, which is super cool manual. Wow. 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 So there's plastic over them. Ta-da! Shiny. Whoa, it is heavy. That's a heavy egg. Looks like an egg. Talk about premiums. Wow. Wow. Damn. Action. What? Active earphones. Open the cover. 3 seconds later, take out the earphones. Reset. When the earphones no sound, put them into the charging case and close for 3 seconds. Take them out. Okay, so this is how you reset those. And they're tiny. I thought they would be bigger. They are tiny. And I love it. Why? Because big earbuds will not stay in your ear. This is light. The case is heavy, but those are light and tiny. Wow, look at that hinge. There's like no comparison. I have many in-earbuds from Sony, from Samsung, and I never see that kind of quality. Whoa, that is screaming quality. All right, okay, let me just put the case aside. Let me just show it to you in close-up. Charging ports. Very tiny. Okay, let me take that. There it is. Alrighty then. Let's try them out. Okay, this is the lock. Magnetic. Wow. Props. Oh yeah. Sport egg. Let's see, what are those microphones? There's one. There's the second one. Three more. So I have 5. And at the very tip, that's 6. Wow. Alright. First of all, the noise cancellation is amazing. I love it. They won't fall from your ear. The fit is tight, super tight. One of the tightest fit I had in any buds. Wow. Super fit. And I don't feel them in my ears. Well, just a little bit. Very comfortable. Let's fire some music. Whoa! That's so loud! Woo! I love loud headphones, but this is extremely... Wow! Is there any leakage? This is the mic. This is... Wow! Okay, this is no copyright sound, yes. That's a great success. Any leakage on maximum level. I'm sorry when I'm shouting. Whoa, 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 that's too much. Oh my God, it's so loud. Okay, let's do something else, some different song. Let me shuffle with a couple of songs and I will get back to you. Helmet test. Okay, let's take the helmet out again. Helmet on. Helmet off. How many times did I try to find my earbuds on the sidewalk or on the street? This isn't the case here. They're very nice, tight in your ears, and they will not fall off when you're taking off your. Alright, let me take them off. Ooh, I don't want to shout. Now, extremely loud. I think it's too loud, but you can turn it down. Sound-wise, first impression, bear in mind, all the speakers, doesn't matter what it is, floor speaker, ceiling speaker, speakers in your car, speakers in your buds, they all need to work for a couple of hours to get that initial sound. This is a fresh new, and bear in mind, this is just a first impression, not a review. Review coming soon. After a couple of hours of usage, that we need that initial sound. First impression, tight bass. It's a warm bass, but it's not lacking, it's not overwhelming like in many parts. It's separation is great. Mids and highs are there where they're supposed to be. When you hit that song with a lot of high sound, is out there. It's incredibly controlled. I love it. Nothing is overwhelming anything. It's what it's supposed to be. And that battery life, oh, we need to test that. Well, good quality. Definitely recommend. Link in the description. The sound-wise are way above Samsung buds, way above, especially with the bass, how good the bass is. Ooh, I love it. I will use them daily, and in 3 or 4 days, I will make a review for you. So there you go. This is a sport and outdoor experience. And we'll definitely put them into the water, testing that water and dust resistance. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Bye.